I don't know about you all, but my kids love crackers and snacky things and crunchy things and all the things. And I'm just not willing to buy the store-bought products. So I'm gonna go in the kitchen and I'm gonna make a Parmesan rosemary cracker, and they are amazing and they take no time at all. So come on in and see how I do it. Alrighty folks, I started by preheating the oven to 350 and I grated up about a cup of Parmesan Reggiano. We use a good Italian cheese. I added 1 cup of almond flour and the cup of cheese to my blender and 1 tablespoon of fresh rosemary. I pulsed for a few seconds just to incorporate all the ingredients and then added 2 tablespoons of cold water. I added an additional 1/3 tablespoon of water as well, scraped the sides of the blender and pulsed for a few more seconds just so that everything starts to incorporate. I also added a 1/2 teaspoon of pink Himalayan sea salt and pulsed one more time, starting to form a dough-like consistency with the ingredients. I moved on and placed it into a bowl and kind of mixed everything together with my hands just so I could feel how the texture was. If it's too dry, add more water. Then I placed between 2 parchment papers and rolled out with my rolling pin into a 1/4 inch thick sheet. You can do them thicker. I just wanted them to have kind of a thin crisp to them when I bake them. At this point, I grabbed my pizza slicer and cut it in strips and then turned it and cut it the opposite direction, creating a grid, and used a large toothpick to poke holes. I baked it for 12 minutes, and once they were completely cooled, I broke them up into crackers. They will last for a week in the container, but in our house, they don't. Enjoy!